Top 5 Best Portable Workbenches for Small Woodworking. Number 5. Workus Portable Workbench 1000 pounds. If you're seeking a heavy-duty workbench that can handle larger woodworking tasks, the Workus Portable Workbench is a solid choice. It boasts a robust load capacity of 1000 pounds, making it suitable for everything from light assembly tasks to heavy-duty woodworking projects. One of its key features is its 54 pre-drilled dog holes, which allow you to place clamps and fix objects in multiple configurations. This adaptability is great for working with items of various sizes and shapes, ensuring a secure hold every time. The bench also comes with toolboxes and an imprinted metric scale on the work surface, which makes it easy to measure and store small items like screws or nails while keeping everything organized. For larger projects, the modular design lets you connect multiple units together, transforming them into one larger, sturdier platform. This is particularly useful for woodworking tasks that require long or wide pieces of wood, as the connected units provide excellent support. Sturdiness is a hallmark of the Workus Portable Workbench. Reinforced edges and corners, along with a full MDF piece on the worktop, ensure stability and balance. It's also designed with foldable legs that can be tucked under the tabletop for easy transport and storage. You can carry the bench like a briefcase to your job site, making it ideal for woodworkers who frequently move between locations. The high level of versatility, strength, and mobility makes the Workus Workbench an excellent addition to any woodworking setup. Coming in number 4, Workpro Miter Saw Stand 5-in-1 Portable Workbench. The Workpro Miter Saw Stand 5-in-1 Portable Workbench offers incredible versatility for woodworking enthusiasts who also need a stand for their miter saw. Its folding and telescoping legs allow for quick setup, while its adjustable height ensures that you can configure it for a variety of tasks. This bench has 3 different height nodes, which provide flexibility when working with larger or more complex pieces. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a robust steel frame with a carrying capacity of up to 330 pounds. The reversible panel offers 2 different working surfaces. One side has an anti-skid surface for standing or stacking, while the other has a built-in protractor and ruler, making it perfect for precise measurements. The locking legs ensure a stable and durable surface, making it suitable for more demanding woodworking tasks. Mobility is another standout feature. With swivel casters and large anti-skid wheels, this workbench easily doubles as a dolly, making it easy to transport heavy materials or tools around your workspace. Additionally, the workbench includes sockets and storage compartments, providing an integrated space for power tools and small accessories. If you frequently use a miter saw and need a workbench that can support multiple uses, the Workpro 5-in-1 is an excellent all-around option. Coming in number 3, Pony Portable Folding Worktable. The Pony Portable Folding Worktable is a unique 2-in-1 solution that serves both as a workbench and a sawhorse. This dual-purpose design makes it especially handy for woodworking projects that require cutting and assembly. One of the most practical features is its impressive load capacity. It supports up to 500 pounds as a workbench and up to 1000 pounds as a sawhorse. The aluminum leg frame adds to its strength, ensuring stability even during heavy-duty tasks. Another key feature is its height adjustability, which can be modified at 6 different levels, ranging from 30 to 35 inches. This flexibility allows you to tailor the bench to different working environments, whether you're working in a garage, on the lawn, or in a garden. It's especially useful for woodworkers who need an ergonomic work surface at different heights for various stages of a project. The table also comes with a complete set of accessories, including bar clamps, bench dogs, and safety straps, offering added functionality for woodworking projects that require precise clamping and positioning. Its collapsible design means that storage and transportation are a breeze, allowing you to fold it flat and take it from one site to another with minimal hassle. Coming in number 2, KER Folding Worktable All-Weather Portable Workbench. For woodworkers who need a portable solution that doesn't compromise on strength or durability, the KER Folding Worktable is an outstanding option. One of its most appealing features is the fact that it sets up in just 30 seconds, ideal for anyone needing a quick and efficient workspace. The KER Worktable can handle up to 1000 pounds, making it robust enough for heavier woodworking tasks, and it comes with 2 clamps that can be installed both horizontally and vertically. This means whether you're working with a miter saw or need to clamp large materials, you'll have the flexibility to do so securely. Durability is a standout feature, thanks to its construction from weather-resistant polypropylene and heavy-duty resin, paired with aluminum legs. This makes the Keter table an excellent option for outdoor work or in environments where exposure to moisture might be a concern. Unlike wooden tables that might warp or metal tables that can rust, this one remains resistant to wear and tear. Its foldable design makes it perfect for storage and transport, and it takes up very little space when not in use. If you're a woodworker on the go or need a table that won't let you down in rugged environments, the KER Folding Worktable checks all the boxes. Coming in number 1. BLACK+DECKER WM425A Portable Workbench. The BLACK+DECKER WM425A is a classic and reliable choice for small woodworking projects, and it offers the type of versatility that any DIY enthusiast would appreciate. What sets it apart is its ability to handle tough projects while maintaining portability. This model is made with a heavy-gauge steel frame that gives it a rugged build, which can hold up to 550 pounds of weight. The laminated bamboo stock worktop adds to its durability, providing a solid surface to work on. Whether you're dealing with carpentry, automotive work, or DIY projects, the adjustable jaws and vertical clamping system will come in handy when you need to secure irregularly shaped objects. The 4 adjustable swivel pegs add to the flexibility, allowing for custom configurations based on the materials you're working with. Storage and ease of use are major benefits of the BLACK+DECKER WM425A. It folds quickly and easily, making it a great space-saving option for smaller workshops or garages. Whether you are packing up for the day or moving it from one location to another, this workbench is designed for convenience. The large working surface, which can convert into a vise, provides even more ways to use it for various applications. The ruggedness and versatility make it a top pick for small woodworking projects.